Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how to clear the cached RAM on your Windows PC. This will work with any version of Windows. Start by opening up your Task Manager. Next, click on Performance. As you can see, my PC now has a lot of cached RAM. This can slow down your PC, so let's fix it. Go to the link below or open up your browser and type in RAMApp. After that, click on this download link and extract the files once downloaded. This is our official Windows page, so don't worry. Once installed and opened up, go to Empty and choose Empty Standby List. As you can see here, my cache has now been cleared, and the PC will run smoother. Thanks for watching and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.